Ready to ditch the warehouse chaos and dive into effortless e-commerce? Let's unlock the power of print-on-demand dropshipping by connecting Supliful to your Shopify store. First, head over to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type in Supliful and hit enter. Find the Supliful app and click on it. Now, click the Add App button. You'll be redirected to your Shopify store admin panel, where you'll need to grant Supliful the necessary permissions. Review these permissions carefully. Once you're comfortable, click Install App to authorize the connection between Supliful and your Shopify store. Great! You're now inside the Supliful Dashboard. Browse their wide selection of products, from apparel and accessories to home goods and supplements. Take a product you love and start customizing it. Add your logo, unique designs, or catchy text to make it your own branded merchandise. After you're happy with the design, sync the product to your Shopify store with just a click. Supliful will automatically handle the production and shipping once an order comes in. From order confirmation to fulfillment, Supliful takes care of everything, so you can focus on marketing and growing your brand. Congratulations, you are now all set.